Good morning, children. Today we will learn 14th lesson, that is cities on river banks. So which are the cities and which are the rivers on the banks? Let us see. Choose and fill the correct name of the river and the country in the each blank. London on the banks of the river. London is a city on the banks of the river. So let us see on which bank of the river London lies. So it is Thames. So London is in England. So river name is Thames. So London on the banks of the river Thames is in England. Bonn. Bonn on the banks of the river. So Bonn is a place in Germany. So Rhine. Rhine is a river. So Bonn on the banks of the river Rhine is in Germany. Now Cairo on the banks of the river. Cairo is in Egypt, children. So it lies on the river Nile. And country is Egypt. Karachi on the banks of the river. So Karachi is in Pakistan. Okay. So here which river is there? Indus. So Karachi lies on the banks of the river Indus, which is in Pakistan. New York on the banks of the river. So New York is in US, United States. Okay, so river name is Hudson. New York on the banks of the river Hudson, which is in US. Quebec on the banks of the river St. Lawrence, which is in the Canada. St. Lawrence in Canada. Kinshasa on the banks of the river. So Kinshasa is a place in Congo and it lies on the bank of Congo only. Delhi on the banks of the river. Yes, children, it's a Indian. So which do you think? It's Yamuna. And it is in India. Rome on the banks of the river. Rome is in Italy. So river is Tiber. Rome on the banks of the river Tiber, which is in Italy. Paris on the banks of the river. So Paris is in which country? Paris is in France. Paris is in the France. And the bank of the river is Seine. Baghdad on the banks of the river. So Baghdad is in the Iraq and river name is Tigris. Belgrade on the banks of the river. So Belgrade is in which place? Serbia. And the river name is Danube. Danube is a river and it is in Serbia country. Varanasi on the banks of the river. So Varanasi is also a Indian and it is in India. So it lies on the bank of the river Ganga or Ganges you can call. And this is in India. One is Delhi, children, and one is Varanasi, which is from our country. Shanghai on the banks of the river. Shanghai is in China. Okay. And the river name is Hungpo. So here completes your 14th lesson. Thank you, children.